They say General Constantine Chiwenga will come back in a coffin. They whisper it in the corridors of power. Sanabida mashoko buda paukwa ine kuchonoka kunzi aiwa Chiwenga panguva ine ausuccida panaudze game idzi dzepolitics kunyazoratidza kuti vakamukonewa, and Chiwenga panguva ine anoratidza kuti aiwa iri ndiro gamba chairo, ndosoja rinosvika kure. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina panguva ine mobudani kwamuchitsi. They spread it in the dark corners where fear and ambition meets. When he was sick, many counted him out. The vultures circled. The opportunists sharpened their knives. He is finished, they declared with glee. But remember Lazarus. Lazarus had been 4 days in the grave. His body was cold. The tomb was sealed. The sisters wept, and the crowd had all but lost hope. The situation was beyond human repair. Yet Jesus looked at that hopeless scene and said, "Don't write him off yet, for he shall surely walk out of the grave and dwell among the living general." Chiwenga is no ordinary man. He is a son of the soil, a liberator who stood when others trembled, a leader whose body may have been attacked by illness, but whose spirit remains unbreakable. The same God who called Lazarus forth is the same God watching over our nation today. To those who are quick to bury the general, hold your tongues and your pens. The chapter is not closed. The stone is not permanent. A resurrection power is real. To all patriots who stand with the truth and constitutional order, just do your part. Pray without ceasing. Speak truth without fear. Prepare the ground for genuine leadership that puts Zimbabwe first. And trust God to do His own. He who raised Lazarus is more than able to raise a servant who still has work to do for his people. Zimbabwe shall rise, not through manipulation or extension of terms, but through the will of God and the will of the people. General YTSccc Mabranga, old soldier, old veteran, servant of Zimbabwe. May God protect and guide our nation. Toma developments and Abuda Pangwana. Pena comment section means of good aim out to live on the page to each. So subscribe or like, want to be icon.